Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show how a DEO can apply for a maternity benefit from NBOCWWB portal. Before applying for the scheme, make sure to have all the necessary documents. Refer the document checklist in the screen as shown. Please note that the maternity benefit cannot be applied by the CSCs. Let's begin with the claim. Log into your dashboard and navigate to the claims. Select the maternity claim from the drop-down list. Enter the beneficiary registration number and click on Go button. Please note that the system will validate the beneficiary, and if found to be eligible for the claim, then it will proceed to the next page. Enter the child date of birth and upload all mandatory and necessary documents to avoid any rejections. Once all the details are filled, click on Submit button. On success, a claim ID will generate as shown in the screen. Now we will show you how to view the existing claims. Navigate to the claims and select the claim ID and go to Options and click View. Under the View, you can view the claim ID, status, uploaded documents, and remarks. That's it. This is how a DEO can apply for a maternity claim. Thank you for watching the video.